everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a video on styling statement pieces. So we all know that lately in all stores such as like Zara and H&M, we're seeing a lot of leopard pieces. And the thing is that we like to purchase statement pieces, which is what a leopard piece is, whether it be a belt, a skirt, pants, shoes, a bag. They're still statement pieces because they're pretty bold. And it's kind of hard to style them. A bag is easy, I'd say. I mean, you can put on denim or all black and you got that bag. But when it comes to like say skirts and pants and shirts and all that, clothing wise, it's a little bit difficult. So in my video today, I will be talking about styling around that statement pieces and how to style around statement pieces. Do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social media. And yeah, subscribe. Let's get right into the video now. So today I have for you this guy here. So it's a leopard skirt. This one I got from Zara. $25 is on sale. I got this for Christmas actually, but it's on sale now for, I think it's on sale for like $19.99. But anyways, and I did see some there still, so if you wanted one, you can still go and get your hands on one. But this is a pretty bold statement piece, and sometimes it gets really difficult to style something like this. Now, I know sometimes, like right now, they're getting rid of all their fall, winter clothes in stores, and purchasing something like this may look fall, but you can definitely style it in a way where it could look a little bit more spring and summer as well, because it is a skirt. And yeah, it's kind of hard to wear in places like Canada without tights underneath because it's cold. Anyways, so it is a midi denim skirt. It goes, I think, a little bit below the knees for me. It's like a high-rise skirt. And yeah, so styling something like this, what you want to do in the very beginning is decide on what statement piece you're going to go for. So like today we've got the skirt. So the skirt is the main focus on your whole outfit. So when somebody looks at you, the eyes are probably going to go straight towards the skirt. How to style something like this? You want to take out your statement piece and kind of lie it down on your bed or on your couch or wherever and style around it. You also want to decide on how you want to dress. Do you want to dress sporty? So I guess that would be like your second step. You've pulled out the statement piece, which is this guy, and you want to try to figure out, do you want to go sporty today? Do you want to go dressy today? Do you want to go casual today? So figure out what look you are trying to go for. Is it cold out? Is it raining out? Do you want to be warm today? Figure out those minor details first, and then kind of work around the skirt. The regular on this guy is $45, $45.90. So that's what you want to remember the most, is that if you're spending almost about $50 with taxes, how many wears are you going to get out of that skirt? And I know sometimes a statement piece is like, okay, well, I'm wearing the same thing over and over again, but you can't, you want to be stylish, but yet you have to be able to dress it in different ways, if that makes any sense at all. I don't know. It doesn't make sense in my head for some reason. Okay, so anyways, let's see what we do, and I will show you the little tips and tricks on styling this guy. I'm gonna do this video like this. It is quite dark in my room, so hopefully this comes out. I've got the light coming right on the other side. That's your piece, and it's lying. Now the first thing you want to think of when you're got this piece lying and you're going for a dressier piece, I would opt for something probably black. maybe even more of a neutral color if you wanted to, but I will show you it in black. I would maybe go, you can go with a blouse. I'm gonna go with more of a form-fitted style. So any sort of black, you can go with a black bodysuit if you wanted to. You can go with a black blouse. You can go with a neutral shade as well. I just find that sometimes black looks a little bit more dressier. Just like that. And put that there. And then decide on the shoes that you're gonna go for. First is, I mean, the black is quite simple and easy. If you're gonna go with something a little bit more brighter, sometimes that's a little bit more difficult to kind of figure out. But okay, so you've got, this is just a black ribbed turtleneck, and then you're gonna figure out maybe the jacket and also the shoes. So depending on where you're at, it could be kind of cold. I would probably put on a pair of tights with this underneath. And then I've got my shoes, and the shoes I would probably, you can go with a knee-high boot as well, but I would opt for something like this, or a bootie. The thing is that white and red actually go amazing with leopard. So I would probably put on something like this. And I would probably use the same booties as well, and then maybe layer it with a leather jacket, and that gives it more of a chic, stylish look with that white in it. So that could be almost like your spring outfit. And say you want to go with something a little bit more sporty. Sportiest ones are usually the easiest ones since streetwear is so in style. I would just grab any sort of hoodie depending on the shade. You can grab red if you wanted to. I've just got, you can grab a neutral one. I've just got this guy, which is a plain black hoodie. And I would style it with that. Now, depending on where you are in the world, you can add your denim jacket to it. You can add a pair of sneakers to it, and I've got my filas that I would add with it. And then you can also do a puffer jacket if you wanted to. So that would be like more of your sporting style. That is something you would do prior to trying it on. So say your style is sporty, you've got the skirt out, you grab the hoodie and then see how it looks. And I will show you how all these outfits look in a try-on. So I put on the skirt for you, and then that turtleneck shirt as well, and then I put a black jacket on top. This guy is from Topshop. And then I put on my Zara booties. So outfit number 2, I kept on the same booties, and I just changed the shirt. The white gives it more of that spring, almost summer sort of vibe. This one is from Zara. Yeah, so I decided to tuck it all in because it's quite a big, loose shirt, and that's the reason I bought something a little bit more baggier so I can wear it buttoned down as well. But yeah, so I've tucked it in all the way and wore it with that same skirt. And it totally, if you can see, changes up the whole look from the very first one that we tried on to the second one. You can totally go and change the shoes as well if you wanted to, totally up to you. But I wanted to keep it very, very simple where like you don't have to. I'll add a leather jacket to the whole look. you can do the whole this look, which makes absolutely no sense to me because like as soon as you lift, there goes the jacket. So what's the purpose of that? You can't even hold a bag. So we will put this on. You can also kind of just lift that up and ta-da! The whole look has been changed. Okay guys, so this is the third and final look that I've got for you. This is a little bit more sportier. I've got a hoodie just kind of tucked in the front. You want to try to tuck it and get the skirt as high as possible, so it just kind of elongates your whole body because you are wearing sneakers. Yes, I still have the tags on my sneakers because they are brand new and I have not worn them yet, so tags are still there. So yeah, you've got the sneakers. So someone that's short like me, I would have to kind of pull it as high as possible just so my legs are a little bit, my whole bottom half of my body is a little bit more elongated, or I can look a little bit on the short side. Yeah, so this guy is the super cozy look, but still trendy. And I am gonna give you two options for jackets on this one. You can go with your puffy jacket or you can go with your denim jacket. Depending on the weather outside, you can go with both if you wanted to. The weather that we're having, I would probably go with the puffy jacket. But hey, if you're the lucky one in a warmer part of the world, then you can go with the denim jacket. You probably won't even need the hoodie. You probably just wear a t-shirt. So, okay. So my denim jacket. Oh, the hoodie is from Zara. The Fila shoes are from Champs. And the jacket is from Topshop. So you can go something like this, and voila. There you go. This is more here, not even spring here. It's always raining, like always raining. So you can go with that, and that kind of changes it up. We can change it and put on the warmer jacket that are suffering in the cold right now. So with this outfit, the thing is now you've got almost two statement pieces. You've got a red jacket and you've got the leopard, which you can totally do because the leopard goes really well with red. But if you're not feeling it, you can put any puffy jacket. If you have a black one, put that one on top, and you are still styling. Anyways, I will let you guys go right here, and please do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at CanBeRehaul, and please like this video. I will see you in my next one.